base placement is where you hold the hair when you're rolling a perm rod, a roller, rod, whatever you're rolling. It's how you project or hold the hair. How you hold it, whether it be forward, in the middle, or backwards, determines how much volume it's going to have or if it's going to have any. There's 3 main base placements. We're gonna draw a head here. Perfect. On base means the rod is literally going to sit on the base or the subsection. A perfect fit. The direction you're gonna pull the hair is forward. So pretend this is hair. You're going to direct it at a 45 degrees forward. So when you roll this, rolling down, rolling down, rolling down, rolling down, it's going to land directly on the base. On Brenda, we're gonna create our base, which is our subsectioning. Taking a rod, making a little rectangle box. To get this on base, again, it's 45 degrees from your base. Now remember, your head is round, so 45 degrees is going to look different here, and it's going to look different here, and it's going to look different here. We're taking the hair and directing it forward. 45 degrees forward. So when we roll this, it's sitting directly in its little home. Just like that. It fits perfectly in the subsection, the base. Half off base is most commonly used for perms, and it's going to be 90 degrees from whatever area you're working with. 90 degrees. When I roll the perm, here we go, there we go. It is half off the base. It's half in, half out. Half on base is kind of like a wishy-washy boyfriend. They're half committed, half not. On base is a full-blown, I'm gonna marry this man. On base, he's always at home. This one, we're just not sure about it. We're gonna measure our base subsection, and it's going to be 90 degrees from the base. So again, this is on base, directing it forward. 90 degrees is pretty much if you pull the hair straight. Again, the first one sits directly in the base. This one, you see how it's half in, half out. It's kind of resting here. Off base, if here's your base right here, is 45 degrees backwards. It's sitting off the base, not even touching it. Very rarely are you going to use this when you're perming or roller setting, because most people, when they want perms, roller sets, they want volume. Off base offers the least amount of volume. On, half, off. So from this point of the head, it looks a little bit like this. Depending on what type of curl you're trying to achieve, you may even roll it way down here. If you look close, you can see the base is here and it's directly off the base. A quick recap on this. On base is 45 degrees forward. Half off base, 90 degrees straight up. But remember, the head changes shape, it's round. 90 degrees on the side will look like this. Here it will look like this. Here it will look straight out like this. Most volume on, most committed. Half committed, half on the base, half off. Ideal for perms. Off base, not committed at all, never at home.